Good night. My name is Sara Barragan. Introduction your family. This is my family. My mother is Maria Rafaela Buitrago. Is 63. She is from Oroque Casanare. Is Kairiki to her father. Our father passing away. I have 3 brothers and 3 sisters. My sister Claudia Barragan is 42. She is caring to her restaurant. My sister Yolima Barragan is 39. Work in the company. I am from Oroque Casanare. Clary Barragan is 23. She is a student. She is from Yopal Casanare. Has 6 boys. My brother Obdulio Barragan is 40. Has 2 boys. He is from Oroque Casanare. She is caring to her father. Andres Barragan, my brother, is 27. He is single. I'm 25. My brother Leonel Barragan is 35. Has a boy. He is one company. He is from Oroque Casanare.